Hi everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. I missed you. I've had so much going on. My grandfather is really ill, so I've been spending a lot of time with my grandparents out of town, and it's just been really stressful and really busy. So please forgive me, but I do have a haul to share with you today. I picked up, I took advantage of the Bath and Body Works hand cream sale, and I went ahead and picked up a few hand creams and also a couple of other items because I just couldn't resist, okay? If you follow me, you know that I'm not a big fall and winter fragrance person. I'm not very keen on those type of scents. I'm definitely more into fruity, citrusy, sweet scents. So fall and winter stock is not my favorite. So I don't do too much shopping around this time of the year, but the hand cream sale was incredible. So basically you could get a hand cream for $1.95. I'm sure a lot of you took advantage of that. They're normally $7.50. And I love the size of these. It's great for if you have a small clutch or like a fanny pack, something like that where you have limited space. This size is really perfect. It's 1 ounce. So let me just show you what I picked up. I picked up 2 aromatherapy lavender and vanilla sleep hand creams, and I just love this scent, you guys. And it's very strong. I've noticed with Bath and Body Works, a lot of the signature line, it seems like when it first comes out, it's pretty strong, and then like when they do their restock or when they change the package, sometimes it's not as potent as it was at first. But with the aromatherapy line, that's not the case. This lavender and vanilla cream, it smells really good, and so does the body wash, and you can really smell it. It really projects. And I'm a big vanilla fan. Anything with vanilla in it, I love it usually. And I love lavender too. Very soothing, very calming. So I got 2 of those. And then I picked up a hyaluronic acid hydrating hand cream because, you know, my hands, we're washing our hands so much, they get so dry, so I'm really interested in trying this out. I did have the hyaluronic foot cream, and it did wonders for like my feet, and I really like that, so I'm sure that this one will be good as well. Yeah, this one's $7.50 regularly too, $1.95. And then I picked up strawberry pound cake, because if you follow me, you know that I absolutely love this one. It smells like a strawberry dessert. Oh, it's so nice. It smells like a strawberry dessert. To my nose, it's got a mascarpone note to it, like a cream cheese note. So to me, this smells more like a strawberry cheesecake than pound cake. But that's just what my nose picks up. Let me know what you think about that. And then I picked up pumpkin cupcake in the hand cream. You guys, I have been trying to use up. I have one of these hand creams from like, I think it was like last year. Let me tell you, it smells so good. It smells wonderful. Oh my gosh, it's just like a sweet pumpkin cupcake. Like you can smell the vanilla. It's sweet. And look, there's a little fox on it. Isn't he cute? Love that. So I also picked up, I saw that I think this is an online exclusive, pumpkin cupcake, the hydrating body cream. So glad that they came out with this in the body cream. And I love this packaging. Look at the orange plaid and then with the green top. Oh, it's so fresh. It's just unexpected. I really like that. It's like perfect for fall. But I'm going to use some of this now because I love this so very much. The scent notes are whipped buttercream, pumpkin spice, and vanilla cake batter. And let me tell you, it smells really good. And it actually projects pretty well too in the body cream. Because I was using the hand cream and I would get whiffs of it like, ooh, I really like this. So I may pick it up in a fine fragrance mist. I have so many mists right now, though, that I really don't need it, but I am desperately in need of more body cream. So, got that. And then I also picked up Strawberry Pound Cake Antibacterial Moisturizing Hand Sanitizer. I love these pumps for my car. It's very convenient. I just put one of these in the drink holder, so you know, if you go through a drive-through or something like that, or you pump gas, or you know, you touch money or whatever, you just have it right there and pump. It's perfect for the car. And I've been eager to try out the moisturizing one. I've tried it in the store. I may have bought a moisturizing hand sanitizer, but I may have given it away as a gift and never actually kept one for myself. So I'm really excited to try that. And my little box is empty. So if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.